Hello and welcome to Thoda और Magic Teenage Special. Welcome to my channel अमृता रायचंद, Chef and Beyond. और आज मेरे चैनल में मेरे एपिसोड में एक बहुत क्यूट बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट आ रही है because she wants to learn how to make simple आलू की सब्जी. Please welcome none other than my best friend's daughter Naisha Deora.
Hi, thank you for having me, Amri Masi. I'm so excited. Mom's taught me absolutely nothing, so I don't even know how to make basic aloo ki sabzi.
देखिए मेरे बेटे ने मेरी बैंड बजाई मेरे वीडियो में, अब ये अपनी माँ की बैंड बजा रही है. तो बेसिकली टीनेजर्स माँओं की बैंड ही बजाते रहते हैं.
That's true.
That's true. See, her mother teaches her very very well when it comes to studies. स्टडी के मामले में उसकी माँ एकदम अव्वल है. सुहागी के फोटोज आपने बहुत देखे होंगे मेरे वीडियोस में, लेकिन जहाँ कुकिंग ना उसको आती है ना अपने बच्चियों को सिखाया है. तो लकीली शी हैज मी who will teach you something. Okay, and by the way, Naisha is a very bright girl. She's in Boston University and already एक साल हो गया, right?
Yeah.
एक साल काट के आ गई है. Now she's getting an apartment of her own, which she's sharing with a friend, and she is finally going to cook, right?
Yeah, I need to learn how to cook.
So I'm here for that. तो आज जैसे मैंने कहा आलू की सब्जी बन रही है. And sweetie, I'm going to teach you a very basic आलू की सब्जी, okay? But remember that you can add a lot of layers to it. When we start cooking, I'm going to tell you what all you can do with it, okay?
Yeah.
So for the moment, let's begin. Ready?
Yeah.
Give
got
me
it.
a high five. Okay. Okay, so we will begin with boiling the potatoes. Do you know how to boil potatoes?
No, I don't.
She doesn't even have a pressure cooker, so this time I'm giving her a gift, which is a pressure cooker, which she'll carry. Darling, pressure cooker na is a very, very, very important tool to have in the kitchen because you can do tons of things in this. मतलब जो आलू की सब्जी मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ बनाना, हिंदी थोड़ा बहुत तो समझती है ना?
Yeah.
ये आजकल के बच्चे अगर से आपको भी देखा था ना, पर समझ तो जाएगी, बोल नहीं पाएगी ज़्यादा, राइट?
Yeah.
तो आप आलू की सब्जी भी इसमें बना सकते हो, खिचड़ी भी बना सकते हो, दाल भी बना सकते हो. तो इट्स अ one stop shop for many things. But right now I'm going to teach you how to just boil potatoes because that is one thing जो आपको, whether you're making the sabzi or not, you should just boil a few potatoes and keep it in the fridge. If you're in the middle of the night, you're hungry, you can just chop it up, add some little salt, pepper, chaat masala, nimbu, and just eat it as is. You can make a quick sandwich with it, right? So boiled potatoes is something you should always have in the fridge. So I am going to teach you how to boil the potatoes. So let's start with a few. These are not washed, which means first things first, with potatoes anyway you have to really scrub it because बहुत सारा गंद इसमें चिपक के रहता है. You know, see how dirty it is?
Yeah.
Right? So potatoes in particular tend to be very, very dirty and dusty. So they have to be thoroughly washed. But you see, your Masi has an assistant chef who's going to wash it and give it to us. There, you're going to do it yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. Come. Thank you. Okay, so now we're going to add these potatoes to the pressure cooker. So you come.
Okay.
You start doing it. Now, see, can you see that jug of water there?
Yeah.
Just pick it up. You're going to add enough water just to cover the potatoes. So start adding. Now, how do you shut the pressure cooker? You pick it up, you take one side like this, turn it. Basically, this has to, there's a rubber tube inside. It has to seal. This lid has to be on top of this small little screw here. And then you press it with one hand and you lock it with the other.
Got it.
Now we'll turn the flame on. So now we're going to wait for it to start blowing whistles. Okay?
Yeah.
Has any guy ever blown a whistle at you? You heard that one whistle?
Yeah.
Now I've lowered the flame and one more whistle we'll wait and the potatoes will be done. And the thing about pressure cooker is when you open it and if you think it's not done, you can shut it and let it give 2-3 more whistles. So it's not a problem. It's very forgiving.
Yeah.
Okay? And it's done. Okay? Our 2 whistles are done. Now lift it up actually. Lift it up and put it carefully. Don't burn yourself. Like this. Don't be so scared. No, if you listen to me, if you press it, this will open.
Okay.
Okay, so just smartly you have to make sure that you put the pressure below.
Over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're holding it rather than pressing it. Got it? Don't press it. Hold it from down. Lift it up. Very good. Put it there. ये देखो आजकल के बच्चे जिंदगी में किचन में नहीं जाते हैं, कुकर नहीं उठाया जा रहा है. Very bad. Now we're going to wait for it to release its pressure,
Okay.
and then we're going to move on to making the veg. Okay, now let's check. You check. Wait, I'll give you a spoon because you may find this hot. So, just now you can see.
Yeah.
There's nothing, no steam coming out, no pressure. That means this is good to open. Now you will press this again. How we pressed it to lock it? Press this, open it. So carefully because you don't want to burn yourself with the steam. Now how do we check if the potatoes are done? Let's take a fork and press it.
Yeah.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
This is called fork tender potatoes. That means no resistance when you put this in. Now we are going to throw away the hot water, and ideally आप अगर normal running water में इसको डालोगे ना तो जल्दी ठंडा हो जाएगा. Okay? You can take the potatoes out, put water in it also, but that's going to take a while. So we'll go to the sink and वहाँ पे normal water से इसको फटाफट धो लेंगे. So it will become easy for you to handle it. Otherwise this will burn your
Burn,
fingers.
yeah.
Now we'll start peeling. Now ये देखो ये tear दिख रहा है ना? It's a nice starting point for you to start peeling. So start peeling. So sweet. बच्चे पहली बार जब कोई चीज़ करते हैं तो धीरे धीरे डर डर के, बट आई ऑलवेज से कि कुकिंग इज़ अ सर्वाइवल स्किल. तो बेसिक्स हमेशा हर बच्चे को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताती हूँ, अगर आपके पास बच्चे हैं जिन्हें आप सिखाना चाहते हैं, आप मुझे डीएम कीजिए. हो सकता है कि मैं आपके बच्चे को भी अपने स्टूडियो में लाऊं और कुछ ऐसा सिखाऊं जो वो सीखना या सीखना चाहता या चाहती है. ओके So we're going to cut the potatoes, but before that, there is a term, darling, called mise en place, which means everything in place. It's a French term. Okay? What happens is उसके वजह से आपकी जो cooking process है वो easy होगी, complicated नहीं होगी, confusion नहीं होगा. तो उसका मतलब है कि आपने सारी cutting, chopping जो जो आपको ingredients चाहिए सब कुछ ready रखा, फिर एक बार जब आपने flame on किया फटाफट बना सकते हो. वरना क्या होगा, you start something then you start looking for something else. Yeah, so that is not a good way of cooking. You have to go about it like how you study. You make your notes, you go about it in a systematic way. Yeah, you make a plan. वैसे ही कुकिंग में भी एक प्लान बनाते हैं, उस प्लान के बेसिस में सारी चीज़ों को रेडी करते हैं और फिर कुकिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. राइट? Now here's the masala box. I'm going to get you one like this. This has everything that you need on a day-to-day basis. So we turn the flame on. We're going to heat up the kadai. So I like to use ghee for this recipe, but you can use the oil of choice. Now you're going to wait for the ghee to get hot. Now keep your hand here. Don't touch it, okay? Now you can feel the temperature. Now add the cumin seeds first. That much should be good. Very good. Can you see it crackle?
Yeah.
That means it's nicely hot. Now add the mustard seeds. This is a very important step. Till the time the mustard seeds don't really start creating that noise, if you add the other ingredients, when you eat the mustard, it will taste bitter. So you don't want it. You actually want it to erupt and release its flavor, and that's it. Can you hear this crackle?
Yeah.
This is the point you go in with your curry leaves. There. And now move back. Okay, now take a spatula, you hold it with confidence and now give it a stir. Very good, excellent. Now we are going to add the green chilies. Now what is this? This is actually a dough scraper, but it really helps pick up vegetables and a lot of quantity of things that you've cut. So scoop it in like this. Add it. Now you try it. I think children just generally like using some fun tools, है ना? Something to motivate them to be in the kitchen, right? Chalo, now give it a stir. Confident hand, hold this. Yeah, no. So always downwards and then turn because you want all the things that you've added to cover the potatoes. Up, let's add some salt. Add some little turmeric. You want some red chili powder?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. Now let's try and mix it the way I taught you. Hold this. Mix it so that all the haldi, the red chili powder, everything gets evenly distributed and the salt.
Yeah.
So now this is almost done. First what I want you to do is taste it.
Okay.
पहले देखो नमक ठीक है कि नहीं, थोड़े और मसाले चाहिए, क्या चाहिए. At this stage you can do that before we finish it up. ठीक है? So taste it. It's going to be hot.
Hot, yeah.
So I'm going to turn the flame off. There's no problem. Something that's hot becomes cold also very easily. So you're going to pick it up.
It's good. I think I need a bit more salt.
More salt? Okay, let's add some more salt. So I'm going to, actually you add because you know how much to add because you know how less it is. So use your common sense and add accordingly. So now you understood how you can adjust the taste. So now you're happy with the salt, right? We are going to use a lemon squeezer. You're going to get this also. Add the cut nimbu and then press it. Let me see your strength again.
I don't have a lot of it.
And spread it around. Yeah, lovely. So this will give a nice khatta taste. You can even add chaat masala. You know, you can add other things to spice it up. And in the end, we are going to garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Okay, we're going to chop this up. I'm going to chop this for you.
Okay.
And try and keep it as fine as possible. Okay, अभी सारा कुछ सीख गए हो. अभी आप घर जाओगे और इसे पूरी तरह से खुद बनाओगे, है ना? तभी मजा है. वरना if you just learn and then you don't practice, it's not going to help. So these are delicate herbs which have to be added right in the end. Otherwise, and when the flame is off. वरना क्या होता है? काले पड़ जाते हैं. ठीक है? So now our potato sabzi is ready. We're going to plate it. अब जब आप बॉस्टन में हो और आपको घर की याद आए तो आप ये डिलिशियस आलू की सब्जी बनाओ, अपने फ्रेंड्स को खिलाओ. Your base potato sabzi is ready. अब इसको आप थोड़े से चीज़ के साथ आप इसका सैंडविच बना सकते हो. What will you do? Take a slice of bread, add some chutney to it, add this potato, put a slice of cheese. You can eat it just as is or you can grill it. आप इसको रोल में डाल सकते हो. You get tortillas, you get parotas, you get your theplas. Add some chutney and mayo as a base. Put this, roll it up, and you have a delicious aloo roll ready. You can play around with it. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you going to make it at home?
Yes.
Enjoyed it?
I liked it a lot.
Yeah? Okay. So what did you enjoy the most?
I like learning how to use the pressure cooker. I never done it before and it took me a couple of times to get it right. But now I feel like it's a really important thing to know how to do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So should we do a quick recap of the recipe? I want to see कि आपको actually समझ
How
आई
much
कि
I
नहीं बात,
remembered,
है
okay.
ना? So let's try. No pressure, but let's try.
Okay. So first thing you need to do is
Boil the potatoes.
Yeah, boil the potatoes in the pressure cooker.
Very good.
Then after that you wash it. You add, like, you rinse out the hot water, you add the cold water until you can handle it. After that you peel the potatoes and then you take like the green chili and you take the potatoes and you chop them and then you add ghee, you add mustard seeds, you add rye, mustard seeds. You add rye, jeera, and then you add the sabzi, so you add the aloo, you add the chili, Then you mix everything with a spatula, and then you add coriander, salt, chili powder,
Very
and
good.
haldi.
Haldi, very good. Coriander you add right in the
Right
end.
at the end, because it's a garnish.
Yes, it's also a garnish and also it's a herb, so you want it to not get burnt. So you add the coriander after turning the flame off, and then as a garnish is the sprig that we added. Yeah.
Yes.
You're happy with the dish?
Yes.
Gonna make it for your friends?
Yes, I swear.
ओके तो चलिए नाइशा तो सीख गई है आलू की बेसिक आलू की सब्जी बनाना। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा मुझे ज़रूर लिख के बताइए, कमेंट्स में बताइए, और क्या ऐसी रेसिपीज़ हैं जो आप चाहें कि आपके बच्चे सीखें। And I'm going to continue with this series, right? Also, don't forget to like and share this video with all your friends and family. And Naisha, why don't you tell everybody to subscribe to the channel as well, your Masi's channel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Please subscribe.
Yeah.
Over there? Okay. Please subscribe to my Masi's channel, Amrita Raicha and Chef and Beyond.
Aw, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. See you soon.